So what items are you planning to bring to France, or do you think you can't live without? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.
First of all, the things you can't live without. For example, this year my laptop was broken. I have another one I can use. And later my phone was broken. I can use my husband's backup phone before my phone get fixed. And I was not so lucky this time when my glasses were broken by Jenny. So I had to glue my glasses together until I have time to get it fixed. So if you have an old phone, old laptop, old glasses, please bring them with you because it could be, handy to you someday. Sneakers. If you can only bring one pair of shoes to Paris, make sure you bring your sneakers because you will walk a lot here. Power strips. Nowadays, everybody has so many devices. A few adapters and some extension cords will make your life so much easier. Some basic medicines. For example, I'd like to show you these kind of single-use eye drops. It's somehow it's not very common here. If you like to use these kind of eye drops, you can bring it from your home country. And antibiotics if you need them. And also, I like to introduce you to this. If you have a kid and this kind of stuff gonna be very useful when babies have fevers, you can just use one on their forehead. And even I use these when I have, for example, a Korean barbecues. I like to apply one on my head to stay cool. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff I never find in France. Hot pads. Make sure you put these on your clothes, not on your skin. Don't forget to bring your important documents. For example, your marriage certificate, birth certificate, your driver's license, things like that. Skincare product you're used to, especially when you have sensitive skin. After a few months, when you get used to the climate, you can consider to switch to local products. Your favorite nuts. Honestly, the nuts I bought here sometimes taste a little strange. Maybe because EU has more strict rules on preservatives. That's ironic. We move here for better quality food, but now we want preservatives from back home. And I like to tell you that this macadamia nuts are the ones we really like from Sam's Club in Beijing. So we got lots of these stuff, and these are the only a few left now. And we can't buy anything similar to this here. So we love this with preservatives. Seasonal stuff. In winter, bring your scarf. In summer, definitely your sunglasses. Tea you enjoy. If you like fresh tea, remember to bring it with you because you can just easily find fresh seasonal tea leaves here. And chopsticks. They don't take much of space in your suitcases, but eating Chinese food with them just feels right. Of course, everyone's needs are different, so think about what's essential for you. And let us know in the comments what's one thing you always bring with you when you travel. We love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching and a bientôt. Bye bye.